Hi everyone, and welcome to Module 2 of course number 4. In this short module, we're going to look at two things really. We're going to look at the idea of collaborative working. It's a really important idea within the IB that teachers will work collaboratively from everything from needing planning time to plan their units of inquiry through to standardization of assessment practices for the major summative assessments in a unit. You can see the number of standards and practices that relate to collaborative planning, collaborative working. So we're going to take a look at different approaches to collaboration. We're going to look at different approaches to creating communities of practice. In this module, we're going to invite you to participate in a discussion post related to the ideas around collaborative working, and in our reflective journal entry for this one, we're going to be considering the MyIB resource, which we have been working with extensively throughout the program and which teachers around the world work with extensively. And we're going to ask the question, what role can you play in it and what role can it play for you? So I'm going to leave you with that. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions at all. This is a short week. There's really only a few things to take a look at, so hopefully that will give you time to start to think about your capstone project, and I will be posting at the beginning of week 3 some information related to that. Take care.